Hello everyone and welcome to the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge Search and Replace from FreeCodeCamp. Now, as you might know, I made the mistake of pre-record the videos and not check that they had no audio, so I am just gonna go over the solution. It's a kind of new format, but yeah, instead of live coding the solution, I will just present my solution to you and explain it step by step. I hope you are okay with that. Otherwise, you can express your discontent in the comments. For this challenge, we have to search for a word here as the second argument within the first argument, which is a string. It's basically a sentence. And we have to replace it with the third argument. So we have to search for the second argument within the first argument and replace it with the third argument. Okay, so basically search 2 in 1 and replace with 3. Okay, that's pretty easy. You can just do a replace, which is a JavaScript method, built-in method for strings. You just replace before, so the second argument with the third argument within the first argument. Okay, but we do have some constraints, which are that if the word that we are trying to replace has a capital letter, is capitalized, then we want to capitalize the replacement too. If it's not capitalized, we want to not capitalize the replacement either. So then, how do we achieve that? What I did is take the first letter, so character at the first position of the word that we are trying to replace, and if that character is equal to the same character but uppercased, okay, so let's say if C equals C, if they are the same, then you would take the first letter, so the first character of the replacement, well, in this case it's J instead of C, so you would take, this is actually leaped, okay, and here it's lowercase, okay, sorry for that. So you would get the first character of that replacement, uppercase that, because we want to capitalize the letter if it's already capitalized. If the if the word we are trying to replace is capitalized, and then join it together with the rest of the word. Now we want to do the same for in case it's not the same. So wait, if before first, okay, so if it's not the same, we know that it is lowercase, the before word. So we also want to have the after word, the replacement word, we also want to have it lowercase. And then we slice the rest and we add it onto the word. At the very last, we just want to do the replacement with the words that we processed here. So if the word that we're trying to replace is capitalized, we also want to capitalize the replacement. If it's lowercase, then this has to be lowercase. And then we can be sure that we can replace the second argument with the third argument within the first argument without worrying about different casing. So running the tests, we get that we pass. In case you have any questions about this one, you just write them down in the comments below. You can also write suggestions in the comments. What could I do better? What kind of content could I do next? Although I do already have my ideas on it. If you are curious about what type of content I'll be doing, and it's not only coding, I would be very glad if you subscribe to this channel. I will also be super glad if you like this video and share it with others. So, thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.